welcome back. Let's continue with the JPACT sessions. We'll do a quick review where we were and let's align for next things. So team, we were focused on UI automation and we wanted to move to APIs. But I wanted to fresh start with API from maybe Monday. There'll be two applications that we go through that will give us insights into how we can execute it. One is ReqRes.in. But let's use AI. Let's not go through every page in this, and it should help us accordingly. And there are things where you can try to automate some of the APIs that are given, and it's something overall as an application that let you master APIs team. So that's one website. The other application would be Pet Store APIs, Pet Store Swagger. So APIs come with the Swagger documentations, and what happens is with the Swagger doc, it is very easy from a testing perspective to automate. Developers have to build it as they create each API. So how does each of these work? Be it various requests that we send, varieties of authentication, payloads, how we get the response back, what do we measure, what do we test, how we can automate